New this morning, 3 interstate drug traffickers were arrested on 91 in Deerfield. On Monday, state police pulled over a car with an unreadable registration tag. The trooper discovered the driver, 48-year-old Nicole Morano from Brattleboro, Vermont, did not have an active driver's license, and neither did her 2 passengers. All 3 people were placed under arrest, and after a search of their car, troopers found 224 grams of crack cocaine and a disassembled 9mm handgun with a 16-round magazine behind the driver's seat. No one in the car was licensed to carry a weapon. All 3 are facing several gun and drug charges.